Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we are diving into one of the biggest shifts happening in the Microsoft ecosystem, which is AI, Copilots, and automation in Microsoft 365. In 2025, Microsoft is pushing AI deeper into productivity, from how we write emails to how we manage cloud workloads. So, if you use Microsoft 365 at work or manage IoT environment, this video is for you. We will explore how Copilot integrates across apps, its real-world use cases, privacy concern, and what you can do right now to prepare for the AI-driven future. So what exactly is Microsoft 365 Copilot? Well, Copilot is Microsoft AI assistant built directly into apps like Word, Excel, Teams, Outlooks, and PowerPoints. It's powered by Microsoft Graph and OpenAI GPT models, meaning it doesn't just generate text, it understands your work context, it connects with your emails, calendars, documents, meetings, and other chats to provide intelligent suggestion. For example, Copilot can draft an entire project summary using your recent Teams meeting, notes, and related Word documents, all while respecting your organization permission and data boundaries. If you have read our detailed post on Cloudway, you will know what Copilot is just not a chatbot. So let's look at what Copilot can actually do. Basically, it can summarize your long email threads and even suggest professional responses. And in Teams, missed a meeting, Copilots give you key points, decisions, and action items instantly. Or in context of PowerPoint, just type a short program like create a presentation about Q4 sales result, and Copilot builds slides with structure, design, and data insights. These aren't future promises. These features are already rolling out across TNets globally in 2025. I mean, AI is just not about the writing, it's transforming how we manage IT and cloud workloads. For instance, during cloud migration, AI tools can now automate post-migration validation tasks, detect performance issues using predictive analytics, and recommend optimized action for cost and security. With Copilot for Microsoft 365 Admin Center, administrator can even query their environment in natural language. Like example, show me inactive Teams site for the last 90 days, and you will get actionable result in seconds. Let's quickly understand. See Copilot in action, what he can do. First, we have to some task in Word. Select the file, just give the command like summarize this script in short paragraph. Also maintain the fluency. Here you can see it provides the short paragraph with maintain the fluency, and that's how we can use Copilot in WordPress. Also, we can use in Outlook. Open the Outlook. Someone send me this message. We can give response or reply in polite way, like like this. So intent of thank you, write a polite message. Just here you can see it suggests me a short paragraph of polite message like this. Basically, Copilot it save hour, even week, especially for knowledge workers and project manager. Of course, with great AI power comes great responsibility. AI tools in Microsoft 365 rely on organization existing data governance, compliance, and privacy setting. Copilots only access data you already have permission to view. Still, enterprises should review data access policy, AI transparency, and audit trails, and employ training to avoid over reliance on automation. Microsoft stance is clear. Your data stay with our tenant, but organization must ensure a strong governance and security framework. So what next? Here what I see happening in 2025. First, AI Copilots become standard in all Microsoft 365 subscription. Also, second, cross-platform AI integration with Dynamic 365, Azure, and third-party apps. And the last one, more automation in IT ops, like from license optimization to insight response using AI Insight. To prepare organization should start AI pilots, educate end users, and modernize cloud environment for better AI performance. And that's how in this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In the our next video, we will discover what is agents and how we can create and how it can use and help us in Microsoft Office 365. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in